Hi guys, in this video we continue to edit a part, trying to show some of the tools that we have to try to edit a component. The next step here is to try to take this rib feature and move it to the center of the circular boss. So what we need to do is to change the sketch which is used for the rib under component. So here we can go right click and edit sketch. If I press Control 8, just to view on top of that component, and need to change some relationships here. So if we click on display and delete relations, we see that there is a collinear relationship with the bottom edge with that bottom part there. That's fine. A vertical relationship for that line. That's fine. A collinear relationship with the left-hand head end. So that we need to delete. So right click and delete. The distance relationship, so we can right click and delete, or we can press delete on the keyboard. And then the distance relationship here we need to delete. Now on the top surface here there should be a circular fillet, so I'm going to delete that line. So right click, we can just click and delete if we want, and delete. And then we can replace that with a tangent arc, so just click away and then replace it with our arc. And we can move this component towards the left, so there and there. Alright. Now you'll see this center line here. To make that appear, we go to View and then click on Temporary Axes. So that toggles that on and off. And what we'll do is we'll make this center point and this arc here in the middle coincident. So this will make the rib in the center, will cause the rib to remain in the center. The dimensions that we need here, so if I'm just going to move this down, you'll see that there is a relationship here that's required, and it's that this edge on the left hand side must be vertical, and the distance between the top here and the top of this circular section should be 2 millimeters. I did that by holding on shift, the dimension of that. And also the radius of this section here should be 8. So just click and I'll press 8 and enter. Alright, so our sketch is fully defined. Close the sketch. And we see that now we've got our fillet, which is 2 millimeters away from that left hand edge. Okay. The next thing we need to do here is the circular boss here should not be sketched on this plane here called the circular plane. So if we go to the circular boss, well, the sketch that circular boss is on, go right click and edit sketch plane. We'll change the sketch plane by clicking here and then changing it to this back surface. Click on the green tick, and then now the boss is now on the back surface. Alright. Now, if we click on the circular plane and right click and go to parent and child, we'll see that there are no children for that circular plane. So it doesn't, no other components depend on it. So it's safe for us to right click and delete the circular plane. There is no dependent items. Click on yes, and now the plane is removed. Okay. Next thing that we need to do here is we're going to edit the circular fillet feature. So just over here, we can go to right click and edit feature. And the edge that we need to add is this edge here. So if I just click, it will also propagate around the component here, and then click on the green tick. So now that will fillet that left hand edge. Okay, so now what we can do is, so the majority of the part has been edited. There is another part which we'll use which continues on from this point, and we'll continue on that with the new file called partial editing CS. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. See ya.